guys, my name is Beth Safarian and I'm a pelvic health physiotherapist. I'm here to talk to you today about postpartum dyspareunia, also known as pain with sex postpartum, okay? So there's three main contributing factors that can be playing into postpartum pain with sex. The first one that I'll talk about is decreased estrogen levels. So after we deliver and we decide whether or not we're going to be breastfeeding, during that breastfeeding stage, our estrogen levels drop quite low, almost to the point as being comparable to being in a mini menopause, which can result in vaginal dryness and thinning of the vaginal mucosa as well, which can contribute to pain. So some things to address that issue in particular. First and foremost, a lubricant should and almost always should be used postpartum, more or less. There's lots of different types, water-based, silicone-based. Asking your pelvic floor physiotherapist for a recommendation would be the best bet, but lubricant's always important for postpartum sex. If that doesn't do the trick, a vaginal moisturizer might be necessary, okay? If that still isn't cutting it, talking to your doctor, whether it be your OB or your GP, about supplemental estrogen and how that may benefit you as well could be helpful, okay? So number one is decreased estrogen levels and how it affects the vulva and vagina. The next aspect or factor that we'll talk about is scar tissue and nerve involvement. So with a vaginal delivery, there can be perineal trauma resulting in tearing or an episiotomy. And when those tissues are stitched up, there can be some scar tissue that is formed. And if that scar tissue heals in a way that it's quite restricted and not very flexible or elastic, it can contribute to pain as well, okay? Keep in mind also that when the muscles and tissues get stretched, the nerves also get affected, okay? So nerve involvement in terms of sensitivity can be involved in that pain as well. Okay, so in order to address scar tissue restriction, your physiotherapist may recommend scar tissue mobilization or perineal stretching and mobilization to work on at home. Okay, the last thing that we'll talk about that can affect pain with sex postpartum would be muscle hypertonicity. So what I mean by that is when your pelvic floor muscles are tense and holding on tight, okay? So this is a surprisingly huge finding that we find in women who are postpartum, whether it be a vaginal delivery or a C-section. Once the body goes through something like that, the natural response is to protect and to guard your body in that way, in that area in particular. So muscle tension in the pelvic floor is a huge contributing factor. So some things that we may suggest to a patient with pelvic floor hypertonicity would be diaphragmatic breathing to relax the pelvic floor, some poses as well, like yoga poses that help elicit or encourage pelvic floor relaxation as well. In my personal experience, I find that pain postpartum with sex is often a combination of all three of these factors.